Let's solve one of the trick questions from UGC net paper, and this is a standard kind of question asked every time on the hill slope. Now very important to remember, on the top of the hill slope is what is called as the waxing surface, right? Waxing means it is convex in nature, it is protruding outwards. Then comes the free fall region, or what is called as the free face, also the bold area. The next one is where the accumulation occurs, so it is called as the debris slope because here there is accumulation. And the last one, the bottom one, is a concave depression, and that is what is called as the waning slope. It is called as waning. Waning means depression or concave. It is like a cave structure, very important. Now a good mnemonic is, can deer be wise? How do you remember it? Can, which is, we are talking about the waning surface which is on the bottom, which is concave. Then D for debris accumulation, B for bold, and W again here for waxing. So wise is for waxing. So don't confuse between waxing and waning, otherwise the mnemonic would go wrong. So wise is for waxing, that means the protruding or the convex slope. So we start from bottom to top to remember this mnemonic, and that's what is asked in this question. So the correct option here is B. Very interesting question. To know more and get insight into more mnemonics and practice material, follow the links below for UGC NET Geography, and do subscribe for the lectures. Thanks.